My name is Saksham Garg. I'm Buddy Finance Intern at Insec Academy. Today I'm going to speak about topic Excel Power Pivot for advanced data analysis and financial modeling. So Excel Power Pivot is a powerful tool used for data analysis and models in financial scenarios. Basically, it allows to import, manipulate, and analyze large amount of data sets from multiple sources, creating complex calculations, relationships, and hierarchies. So now I'm going to discuss about key benefits and strategies using pivot point in their financial models. So starting with data integration, basically it enables to import data from multiple sources such as data-based text file, Excel files. So it can handle large data set from multiple sources into a single data model. So next point is data modeling. So it can enable to create the relationship between tables using common fields and enable to analyze and combine data from multiple sources. Basically, it is useful when you have large data financial models in a single tablet or multiple tablets. So next point is data visualization. So Pivot Point seamlessly integrates with Excel's visualization tools such as pivot tables, pivot charts, or pivot view, etc. You can easily interact and explore to analyze the financial models. So next point is data refresh and scalability. So Pivot Point supports automatic data refresh. So when you update anything in your data models, it will update automatically. So as it can handle large database efficiently, make it suitable for large complex financial models with extensive data requirements. So when using Pivot Point for financial analysis, it is important to understand the concept of financial concepts and formulas. So as same as with the familiar with the Excel functions or data modeling techniques that can be used when using the Pivot Point in financial.